Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install AutoCAD using a student account. If you have a valid educational email address and qualify for Autodesk Education access, you can get AutoCAD for free. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser. In the search bar, type AutoCAD download and press enter. From the search results, open the official Autodesk website. Once you're on the Autodesk page, you'll notice that it may display the free trial option by default. Since AutoCAD is a paid application, to access the student version, you'll need to sign in with an Autodesk account. Click the Sign In button at the top of the page. If you already have an Autodesk account, simply log in. If not, click Create Account and complete the registration process. During sign-up, Autodesk may ask you to provide your educational information, such as your school or college details. Make sure you enter accurate information so your student eligibility can be verified. After login, on home screen, click Download Free Trial button. It will take you to a new screen. Select Education option here and click Educational Community button. It will take you to Products page. Select AutoCAD here. In New Page, select Student Plan. On Next page, fill out the form with the asked educational information. Hit Continue button. After it, click Submit button on the top right side. Autodesk will verify your educational details at the spot. On Next page, click Access Products button. A list of products will appear on next screen. You will see AutoCAD. Make sure you select correct version, operating system, and language. Click Install and hit Accept. The file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer and click Yes if you're prompted by Windows. Wait a few moments while the installer prepares the setup. When the installation window appears, click Next. You'll see the default installation location for AutoCAD. If you'd like to install it to a different drive or folder, you can change the location. Otherwise, leave it as it is and click Install. The installation process may take several minutes depending on your computer, so just wait until it finishes. Once the installation is complete, click Start to launch AutoCAD. You'll be asked to sign in again with your Autodesk account. Follow the sign-in prompt in your browser, complete the login process, and if prompted, allow Autodesk Identity Manager to open. After that, AutoCAD will activate your educational license and be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed AutoCAD using Autodesk Education Access. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.